Welcome to J&J Detailing Services LLC, your premier choice for professional auto detailing in Jackson, Michigan. At J&J Detailing Services, we specialize in making your vehicle look and feel brand new. From cars and trucks to RVs and heavy machinery, we handle it all. Our top-notch detailing services include exterior washes, waxing, polishing, interior vacuuming, and conditioning. We pay attention to every detail to ensure your vehicle looks its best, inside and out. We also offer expert pressure washing services for homes, businesses, driveways, decks, and more. Our powerful equipment removes tough stains and grime, leaving your surfaces spotless. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers speak for our dedication to quality and exceptional service. As a veteran-owned business, we pride ourselves on integrity, professionalism, and unmatched service quality. We use eco-friendly products to protect your vehicle and the environment. Ready to give your vehicle the care it deserves? Contact us today at 517-936-0166 or visit www.jjcleaneverything.com to book your appointment. Experience the J&J difference, where quality meets care. J&J Detailing Services LLC, your detailing experts in Jackson, Michigan. Follow us for more updates and tips.